PocketMax screwdriver handle from Wiha is a compact and lightweight alternative to bulky sets of screwdrivers. It features an ergonomic handle that is designed to prevent muscle stress and fatigue, as well as a 2-level magnetic bit magazine that stores 8 bits safely and securely. The bits are attached magnetically, so they are quick and easy to switch between. The bit compartment stores the following 1/4-inch bits: 2 Pozidriv, 2 Phillips, 2 slotted, and Torx. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. TME. You need it, we have it.